Stop using your personal Facebook account for business. Create a Facebook page instead. It takes less than 5 minutes and I will show you how to set it up. Many people don't know this, but you need a Facebook page if you want to grow as a brand, post as a brand, promote a business, or even Facebook monetization. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use your phone to create your Facebook page. First, open your Facebook app, go to your profile, click on it, then click on this menu here, then it will open this place for you. Click on see more, scroll down, go down, you will see pages. Click on it. Now you will see create. Click on it. Good. Get started. Then now you give your page a name. Any name that you want to give it. You can give it any name of your choice, whether your business name or your brand name. So in this case, for the sake of this tutorial, let's use health tips. Okay. Then you click next. Then now it says what category best describes health tips. So in this case, it's going to be health or beauty. You can choose whatever that you want to. You can search it here. So mine is already here. You can say health or beauty. Then you go to create. So here, now you have to choose what will be your goals. Here, it says create content and connect with fans. This is best for creators and this one is best for companies, as you can read here. So in this case, we are going to choose this, which is create content and connect with fans. Let's hit continue. You click here and upload a cover picture for the page and click here for the profile picture for the page. So now let's go to next. Now you can invite all your friends. You can invite all your friends from your profile so that you can drive them to your new page that you have created. In this case, I'm not going to invite, but if you want to invite, you have to select all and then click next. But in this case, I am not going to select in because this is for tutorial. After this, I'm going to delete this page. So this, and then it says stay informed about your page. Then here, after that, you go to next. Click on done. So congratulations, your Facebook page is now live. You can start posting valuable content consistently and invite friends to follow your page as well, if you wish to. If you want to learn how to monetize your Facebook page and start making money from content, follow this page because I will be sharing more tips. My name is Von Caps. Now that you have set up your Facebook page, the next step is to notify Facebook that you want to monetize this page. So first, you need to click this menu here. Then go to professional dashboard. Facebook is already giving you a weekly progress. From here, all you need to do is drag this in here and then go to monetize. And now, as I taught in the earlier video, how to set up monetization on your profile, the same thing applies to this page as well. So what we are going to do is we are going to notify Facebook that we want to monetize for stars. So click here, go to notify me, come back, subscription, and it says what? Notification reminder set. Come back. Then come to content monetization. Click on it. So now you see, now you have set for all. So you check and set notification for all of them. And after notifying Facebook that you want to monetize your content, you come back here, then go to your progress. All you need to do is you have to follow the weekly progress to enable you to grow your page. When you click here, Facebook is setting up a task for you. Follow all this thing here, set everything up here, everything here. Make sure you set everything up here. And then your journey of monetization starts from here. Keep following this page and I'll give you more tips. The name is Phonecabs.